I'm gonna show you totally different looks than everyone showing you. After 45, it's all about look young, fresh and lifted. Hi everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna review the newest Natasha Denona Hyper Natural Face Palette. When I was first time saw this palette, I'm like, that's it. I want this, I need this, my clients will love this. Why I immediately jumped? Because summer is coming and it's a perfect palette for me and for most my clients, because we have here bronze, we have here eyeshadow and blush, and it's natural, very soft colors. I don't see here like really like colors, screaming colors. It's perfect one for anyone. When I'm looking this palette, I have everything I need if I'm traveling, because we have here blush, we have here eyeshadow, we have here bronze, and I love this cute packaging. Look at how compact color, feels really good. $62. Do not feel cheap this palette to me at all. I will show you her eyeshadow palette. This is her regular size eyeshadow palette, and this is its newest palette. You can see it's a little bit smaller, and yes, it's perfect. You can put in your purse. Again, it's a perfect for travel. Also, all her eyeshadow palette, it's refillable. I'm not sure when she's gonna sell and refill, but if I don't want some colors from here, I can pop from this palette and add. It's so convenient for me, and I like this. I can create my own palette. This palette retails $62, and it's like Ulta, Sephora, Natasha Denona website. They're all selling this. Also, it's a new formula, and it's a gel cream formula. If I'm looking these eyeshadows or this face palette, to me it looks like eyeshadow, maybe a little bit looks creamy eyeshadow, but I will swatch for you, I will try for you, and of course I'm gonna show you step by step how to use this palette. Natasha Denona telling us this is palette for everyone. Here I little bit disagree. I am level 2. If you understand what it's mean level 2, my foundation always like 200, 250, neutral undertone, and I be honest with you, this is palette perfect for me, but for deeper complexion, I don't think this is bronze, it's dark or deep enough. But again, this is your face palette, you can use this blush for eyeshadow, you can use this bronze for eyeshadow, but I wish she add little bit deeper color, whereas it's bronze. It's all 5 colors, and they looks very soft. Unusual formula. Feels really creamy. Let's start first with bronze. I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury brush, and I'm gonna use this color, which one it's in the middle. If you're a beginner, use your hand, remove little bit extra bronze, and then apply. Why I use in my hand? Because I'm not sure, I'm not familiar with formula, and maybe if I put too much, this is why I use in my hand to remove extra. Where to put your bronze? Right here, and you're pushing up. Right here, close to my hairline, circle emotion, and underneath. Do not go up. Underneath, very softly. I'm in love with this bronze. I like how it sits on my skin. I like color, and you know what, this is color. Some of you can use as a powder, some of you can use this actually the eyebrow powder. Yeah, I think this will be for some of you perfect brow powder. I clean my brush and I'm gonna use this light blush color. I apply right here on center and I push in color up. This pink color, light pink color, looks really soft on me. I need to reapply a few more times to build color. Again, I don't think everyone will like this palette. I personally like it. It's perfect palette for my complexion. Blush looks very soft. Now let's use this darker blush, and this darker blush I'm gonna actually apply right here on a corner. Ooh, very pretty. And this one, it's pigmented, and I feel if you have a deeper skin, this will be perfect blush for you. Oh, I actually really like. You know, before we start the eyeshadow, I want to put a little bit highlighter on my face, and I'm gonna use brand Revolution. It's not expensive, it's like $10–12 or maybe even less, and I'm gonna just apply highlighter just a little bit right here. I need this glow. Now let's start with eyes. Before we're gonna use eyeshadow, I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from MAC. It's the best one. It's creamy, it's not dry my eyelid, and I have little bit discoloration on my eyelid. You can see it's gone right now, right? If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, because I'm teaching here step by step how to create look, how to use products, and also my goal when I apply my makeup 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm coming home 9 o'clock at nighttime, sorry, it looks the same. Natasha Denona recommend use finger for this eyeshadow palette, but I'm gonna use brush. This is Chanel brush, and I'm gonna use color Casual. I'm gonna show you probably totally different looks than everyone showing you. Everybody probably gonna go and use brown colors right away. We're gonna start with Casual, and I'm gonna apply this color right here on the corner first, right here on the corner. Wow, this eyeshadow, it is pigmented. Wow, I love it. Now I have a big blending brush from MAC, and we're gonna use color Soft. This color I'm gonna apply above my suckle area. This color will slightly brighten my eyelid and will give me this extra lift, extra pop I need, because after 45 it's all about look young, fresh and lifted. I'm coming a little bit close to you. Now I have a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna just blend this gray, I would say it's a soft gray color, a little bit up. And now I'm gonna use with my finger color Dream, and it is beautiful sparkly eyeshadow. I love Natasha Denona eyeshadows because quality here is amazing. I don't see any fall down eyeshadow texture. I'm just very proud of somebody else from Europe came and create such a beautiful quality product. Before anything else, I'm gonna curl my lashes, and I'm using Laura Mercier lash curler. Now you can look at one eye and another. This is technique when I'm curling my lashes, it's give me this extra lift. Now I wanna create very sexy look. I'm gonna use this brush, and it's an angle brush from Chanel, and we're gonna use color Statement. This is the darkest color in this palette, I believe. And I'm gonna use this eyeshadow underneath. I'm not coming very close to my lashes, just under, and I'm just pressing, and I pushing this eyeshadow up. Now I have a clean brush, and I'm just slightly little bit soft this line. With big brush, I am soft this line, this darker eyeshadow, and I pushing up. Now same brush, same darker eyeshadow, I add in a little bit more, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes, and I pushing this color right here on the corner, and I'm gonna add few more times. I want build color. I need a little bit more first color, this gray color right here on the corner. Now I'm gonna use color Dream right here on the corner. I want this like a very sexy, sparkly look. Color Dreamy under my brow, very little. Now I need extra lip. This is Beauty Blender, and I'm just cleaning right here on the corner. Now it's time for primer mascara. I'm gonna use Lancome primer. This is Best primer. I'm gonna apply on my lashes, and then I'm gonna use mascara. And mascara, which one I'm gonna use? I want lots of volume. It's from brand Melt. It's a beautiful, really volume mascara. And for my low lashes, I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy High Volume Mascara. It's very tiny, small brush, and it's tubing mascara. Why I like to use this in the bottom? For one reason, because my eyes, it's running, or sometimes I'm living in Florida, like you come inside, it's cooler, outside it's so hot, and I knew this mascara, it's never runs, or I will say like funny way, you never have raccoon eyes with this mascara. It started a little bit dark outside, but what can I say about this palette? It's amazing quality. Amazing. You have everything here. You have bronze, you have blush, you have eyeshadow. You can use this bronze again is your eye for your brows. You can use this blush is your eyeshadow. And I know some of you gonna ask me, what do you have on your lips? Clinique lip liner number 17, soft nude. Then I have a lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, and this is, I believe, it's Blush and Dream. Beautiful color. And for lip gloss, I have from Pat McGrath, beautiful lip gloss. I will list it below. I will put name. Love you more than ice cream. If you not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please support. It means a lot to me. I am trying to grow, and again, this is a channel I'm showing you, teaching you step by step how to use product and look beautiful.